Today I'm going to make metallic slime. So first you get what slime glue you want, and then you just pour how much slime you want in it, and then you get the magical Elmer's glue, and then you put 2 teaspoons. 1, 2, and then you mix it. And if it looks like this, you just put some more in. Just a little bit more.
Oh my God!
Done doing that, you keep mixing. And then when it gets a little bit more harder, you take it out with your hands and then start mixing it.
Bruh.
It'll get a little bit like this, and then you just keep on going like this. And it'll get harder. And then just play with it and enjoy. And then keep on doing it. And then you'll see that it turns like this. And then you just keep doing it until it gets some slime off of your hands.
A few moments later. Two 2,000 years later.
And your arms might get tired because my arms are getting tired as well. And then when it starts to come off, that means it's almost ready. And if it's still sticky, just put it back into the plate because there's more Elmer's magical glue in there. And then you just get all the wet parts and then you grab it out and then mix it in here. And then when you're able to get it all off your body or hands, that means it's ready. That's the end of my video. Bye guys. Bye, bye, bye.